Liaquat Ali Khan, the architect of Pakistan. In the heart of British India, a storm was brewing. The dream of a separate homeland for Muslims was gaining momentum, and at the forefront of this movement was a man named Liaquat Ali Khan. Born into a privileged family, Liaquat Ali Khan could have chosen a life of comfort, but he was driven by a deep sense of justice and equality. A leader is born. Liaquat Ali Khan's journey began in Karnal, Haryana. He excelled in his studies, eventually pursuing law at Aligarh Muslim University and later in England. These experiences shaped his understanding of the world and fueled his passion for political change. The Pakistan movement. Returning to India, Liaquat Ali Khan joined the Muslim League, becoming a key figure in the Pakistan movement. He worked tirelessly alongside Muhammad Ali Jinnah, advocating for the creation of a separate Muslim state. His eloquence and dedication resonated with millions, making him a powerful voice in the fight for independence. Prime Minister of a new nation on August 14, 1947, Pakistan emerged as an independent nation, and Liaquat Ali Khan became its first prime minister. The challenges were immense: building a nation from scratch, dealing with the aftermath of partition, and establishing a stable government. Liaquat Ali Khan faced these challenges head-on, his leadership guiding Pakistan through its formative years. A legacy of service. Liaquat Ali Khan's tenure as prime minister was marked by his commitment to serving the people. He focused on developing the country's infrastructure, economy, and education system. He also played a crucial role in shaping Pakistan's foreign policy, seeking alliances and fostering international relations. A tragic end. Tragically, Liaquat Ali Khan's life was cut short on October 16, 1951, when he was assassinated in Rawalpindi. His death was a profound loss for Pakistan, but his legacy lived on. He is remembered as a visionary leader, a skilled negotiator, and a true patriot who dedicated his life to the creation and development of Pakistan. A story of inspiration. Liaquat Ali Khan's story is one of inspiration, reminding us that with determination and hard work, we can achieve our dreams and make a difference in the world. His life serves as a beacon, encouraging us to strive for justice, equality, and progress. This story is a tribute to Liaquat Ali Khan's remarkable life and his invaluable contributions to Pakistan. It is a story that deserves to be told and shared, inspiring generations to come.